Hello tech enthusiasts. Today, let's explore Neurolink, where monkeys are controlling computers with their minds. Join us as we delve into telepathic typing and its potential to transform the lives of people with disabilities. Imagine a monkey navigating a computer screen without touching a keyboard. It's not science fiction, it's Neurolink. This groundbreaking technology allows a monkey, through telepathic typing, to control a cursor and spell out messages using just its thoughts. The implications are massive, potentially offering a lifeline. For individuals with limited physical abilities, like quadriplegics or tetraplegics. And here's the kicker, the monkeys genuinely enjoy the process. They're in it for the banana smoothie and the fun game. Neurolink emphasizes its commitment to animal welfare, ensuring that their monkeys are happy participants in these groundbreaking demos. Now, let's shift our focus to Neurolink's ambitious goals for humans. Musk reveals plans to restore vision, even in individuals who were born blind. By injecting current directly into the visual cortex, Neurolink aims to generate visual images in the brain, bypassing the eyes entirely. The visual prosthesis, represented by the N1 implant, is a marvel of microfabrication, featuring over 1,000 channels for recording and stimulating neural activity. Wireless and fully implantable, this device could potentially provide a sightless person with the ability to see the world. Neurolink's journey doesn't stop there. Enter the A1 robot, a surgical marvel designed for the precise implantation of the N1 device. Musk walks us through the intricate process, highlighting the challenges faced in mechanical packaging and how the team overcame them. With real-time vessel avoidance, the A1 robot ensures the safety of thread insertions into the brain. The result? A seamless and efficient procedure, bringing us one step closer to unlocking the full potential of mind-controlled technology. For those with spinal cord injuries, Neurolink is a beacon of hope. By placing electrodes into the spinal cord, Neurolink aims to bridge the communication gap between the brain and the body. Musk demonstrates how the N1 link can be a communication prosthesis, enabling control over computers and phones. Watch as a pig, equipped with both brain and spinal cord Neurolink devices, showcases the ability to decode joint movements and, more impressively, stimulate specific muscle contractions. The potential for reanimating the body is not just a concept, but a tangible reality. Neurolink invites us to envision a future where the mind seamlessly integrates with technology. From mind-controlled typing to restoring vision and enabling paralyzed limbs, the pieces are aligning. If this excites you, join us at Neurolink, where we're shaping tomorrow's world. Thanks for exploring human potential with us.